gamers, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to use Vivo phone as AC remote. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So first thing that you want to do is you want to check if your phone has an IR blaster. Now look, you want to look at the top edge of your Vivo phone and see if there's an IR blaster. It's like a tiny black dot or sensor. So this is the part that sends signals, just just like a regular remote. So if your phone doesn't have one, don't worry. You can still use an external IR adapter, like in this case a mini remote controller. So you may need to search one online, but once you have that, you want to go ahead and go to Google Play Store and search for an app like Universal AC Remote Control or any other similar app out there. So these apps let your phone control all kinds of appliances, including your AC. Now, from then on, you want to set up the remote in the app, or set up the remote in the app. Now, open the app, so select AC on your specific AC brand and follow the prompts. Now, point the top of your phone where the IR is at your air conditioner and tap a button to see if it responds. Now, if it works, you're good to go. Now, once everything is set up, you can now use or turn your AC on and off, adjust temperature, change modes, all from your Vivo phone. But just keep this in mind, some models out there, depending on your AC, may have their own specific apps that you could use to control your appliances. So, like for example, appliances like from Samsung may have their own app that you could use to install to control your AC from your phone. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.